Hello viewers. After processing this script, you will get these two folders. One is for API and one is for client. Uh, I use Visual Studio Code. I already opened it here. It's for client and it's for API. And uh, I like to start with client. I'll also like to follow my documentation. It's here. I will provide this link. Uh, it's a full documentation of this project. I like to go first here. It's the setup quiz test client, that is this client via project. So you can see first we have to write npm install. uh, by executing it, the node module folder will be added. So I have done it already, so I like to skip it. And the next one you have to do npm answer. So after executing this line, your project will be run, and this will be run at uh, this the localhost 808 port. And the last thing you need to do here, you just only move to this config file and paste these links here, because our API will be running on this port. So now I like to go to the API project. So I also opened it here. So before going to this project, I like to switch to set up quick test API mode in here in this link. So first thing, you need to create a database in your MySQL database. I like to create um, this one here. So, and I like to name it quiz test DB, because I already configured my .env file, uh, DB connection MySQL, and this one for your uh, MySQL database configuration. And I name the database quiz test DB. So I like to name it here. DB, and the database is created. And next one you have to follow uh, composer install. So after executing composer install, the vendor folder will be added. I have done it, so I like to skip this one. And next one you have to do this line, because you need to uh, create some table and database in your MySQL DB. So after executing this one, now you may look to your database, and you can see some tables will be created with some data, with some migration data, of course. So this is now the last thing you need to execute here, this line. So after executing this line, this project will be run, and of course this will be run at this port, localhost 8000 port. And I already linked this client project to the localhost 8000 port, which is our API running port. So our project will be running at this one now. So I like to open it. So before open this port, I like to see you some additional things, as I said in my documentation. uh, you need to set up your email. So to set up your email, you need to write it here, this .env file, and mail, mailer, mail host, mail port, mail username and password, of course, and mail is option. I already put a example here, like SMTP as mail mailer, and this one as mail host, and 587 as mail port, and goes on. And the next things you should do when you will switch this API and client to your server, that means in real server. So you need to change this AppEnv to production, which is local now. And of course API do it, uh, API debug should be false, because uh, in production this one should be false. So that this is basically our configuration part. Now I like to run our app. So look, uh, these are app and now running at localhost 808.0 port, as I said earlier. So this end of the presentation. Thank you for watching.